Hi, this is Corey with House of Vacuums in High Point, North Carolina, doing a video on the Riccar Tandem Air series, in particular the R30.6 series that we have in front of us here. The Tandem Air series of vacuum cleaners from Riccar, basically they have two full-time suction motors engaged in the one vacuum cleaner. So the airflow that this creates at the floor is second to none of any other upright vacuum cleaners on the market. So as far as cleanability goes, if you have lots of carpets, this machine is second to none on that ability. The highlight features on this one: 6-year warranty. It comes with red carpet annual service. I love the hose on this one. You have a drastic large amount of reach, and I'm probably out of the camera range here, but then you can use the telescopic wand, go way up high. They also offer an extension to this as well if this isn't long enough to go up a flight of stairs. Also a 40-foot power cable, so this length partnered with a hose, maximizing the cleaning as far as having to switch outlets in the home. Natural horsehair dusting brush that will convert over to a lint picker for furniture. Those stay on board, and it has it's recessed in, but this is the crevice tool on the side. This machine has a lifetime belt system, so you don't have to change the belts. It tells you when to change the bag. I like their bag changes on this system. So 2 clicks, throw that away. It self-seals, poof-proof bag, and then 2 clicks back in. 1, 2, and that's it. We have active charcoal here, Hepa Filtration here. Great for ones with allergies, pets. The multiple height adjustments on the back. It even has an auto setting. You can go all the way to high, extra high, and all the way down to the lowest of low for the dependence of the flooring that you are cleaning. I've got some sand, and I've got a little bit of simulated pet hair here. I'll show you how the machine works. You can see it as well as hear the machine run. We're going to power it on, lower this down. Also with this machine, it is great for bare floors as well. With this button right here, while the machine is on, you can turn off the brush roll, go straight to your bare flooring, and then right back to your carpets. Also on the bottom of this machine, lots of metal where it counts. Stainless steel brush roll, metal base plate, rubber coated wheels, and replaceable brush strips in time. Instead of having to replace the entire brush roll, we can just replace the strips as well. Also, this machine is very customizable. If you have lots of Orientals, Persians, fine carpets in the home, we can actually put natural brush strips in this, so it is very gentle for those rugs, as well as keeping them deep down clean with the power of this machine. So that is a bit on the R30 Series.6 Tandem Air from Riccar. If you have any questions, reach out to us, send us an email, comment on this video. On all social media platforms, we're at Triad Clean Home. This is Corey with House of Vacuums in High Point, North Carolina. Thank you.